Next part is of brain. Brain is the part of CNS, that is central nervous system. Central nervous system is divided into two parts. One is of brain and another is of spinal cord. Brain divided into three parts, that is of forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain again divided into three parts, that is olfactory lobe, second one is of cerebrum, third one is of diencephalon. Midbrain divided into two parts, that is of corpora quadrigemia, and cerebral peduncles. Hindbrain divided into three parts, that is pons, cerebellum and third one is of medulla. So these are the different part of brain. First of all, we studied that forebrain. Forebrain is divided into three parts, that is of olfactory lobe, cerebrum and diencephalon. Olfactory lobe present in the pair and it is present at the front, that is of olfactory lobe, and function of the olfactory lobe, that is of control the sense of smell, control the sense of स्मेल से रिलेटेड जितने भी एक्शंस होते हैं वो सारे ऑल्फैक्टरी लॉब के थ्रू कंट्रोल किए जाते हैं. देन सेकेंड इज ऑफ सेरिब्रम. सेरिब्रम इज द लार्जेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन. इट कवर 80% एरिया ऑफ द human brain or 80% weight of the human brain. Cerebrum divided into two hemisphere, that is right hemisphere and another one is of left hemisphere. It is divided, main portion of the brain, that is of cerebrum. It is divided into two hemisphere, right hemisphere and left hemisphere. Right hemisphere control the left portion of the body and left hemisphere control the right portion of the body. तो ये वाइस वर्सा कंट्रोल करते हैं. लेफ्ट राइट बॉडी पार्ट को कंट्रोल करता है और राइट लेफ्ट बॉडी पार्ट को कंट्रोल करता है. इट हैज मेनी कर्व. इसके अंदर बहुत सारे कर्व होते हैं. दीज आर द डिफरेंट कर्व्स and that curves increase the surface area of cerebrum. These curves increase the surface area of cerebrum, and the cerebrum again differentiate into four lobes, that is of frontal, second one is of parietal, third one is of temporal, and fourth one is of occipital. These are four lobes present in the frontal, that present in the front, parietal in the both parietal position, temporal just behind the parietal, temporal is there, and occipital, the hindmost portion of that cerebrum, is of occipital, that is of 4 lobes of the cerebrum. Frontal portion that control voluntary movement of body. Voluntary movement of the body, control speech, and association of sensation between sensation and movement. Association between the sensation and movement. Association between sensation and movement. Sensation and it is associated different sensation and movement. जो sensation होता है body sensation, उसके बाद movement होता है, तो वो उन सबको maintain करने का काम frontal. That voluntary movements, control speech, association between sensation and movement, that controlled by the frontal portion of cerebrum. Then second one is a parietal. It control, that is pain, touch, temperature sensation. Pain, touch and temperature sensation controlled by the parietal portion of the cerebrum. And temporal control the taste, smell and hearing. Control taste, smell and hearing sensation. And occipital, that is visual, any sight, that is control the sight or visual functions of the or visual sensation of the body. Frontal voluntary movements, control of speech, association between sensation and movements. Parietal control pain, touch and temperature sensation. Temporal taste, smell and hearing. Occipital, that is visual or sight sensation controlled by the occipital portion. And the third portion of forebrain is of diencephalon. The third portion of forebrain is of diencephalon. Diencephalon is divided into 3 parts: epithalamus, thalamus and hypothalamus. This diencephalon just present below the cerebrum. Cerebrum के just नीचे की तरफ होता है ये कौन, that is of diencephalon. So this is of this region is also known as hypothalamus. This one is of thalamus. And just above that is epithalamus. So epithalamus, what is the function of epithalamus? It help in the filtering out of cerebrospinal fluid from the blood. It help in filtering out of cerebrospinal fluid It is the fluid in which brain is present. The fluid present inside the brain, that is known as cerebrospinal fluid from blood. When blood move inside the brain, where that cerebrospinal fluid and blood will get mixed, again blood move from to the brain, that time it help in the filtering out of cerebrospinal fluid from the blood. That is the function of epithalamus. Next one is of thalamus. Its function, that is relay it help in the its function of the thalamus is of it is contact between the hind brain or mid brain, हिंड ब्रेन और फोर ब्रेन, ये हिंड ब्रेन और फोर ब्रेन के बीच में कांटेक्ट करने का काम करता है. कांटेक्ट बिटवीन हिंड एंड फोर ब्रेन, टच, टेम्परेचर, पेन से सारे रिलेटेड सेंसेशन को फोर ब्रेन की तरफ भेजने का काम कौन करता है? दैट इज ऑफ थैलेमस. एंड थर्ड पोर्शन इज ऑफ hypothalamus that control involuntary function like hunger, thirst, sexual desire, water balance, blood pressure, etc. These are involuntary function which is controlled by the diencephalon. Next is of midbrain. Midbrain is the first portion is of corpora quadrigemia. Corpora quadrigemia that control auditory reflex section. Auditory reflex साउंड से रिलेटेड जो किसी भी चीज को सुनने से रिलेटेड रिफ्लेक्स सेक्शन होते हैं, दैट कंट्रोल्ड बाय द कॉर्पोरा क्वाड्रिजीमिया एंड मूवमेंट रिलेटेड टू दिस ऑडिटरी रिफ्लेक्स. इससे रिलेटेड जितने मूवमेंट भी होते हैं उनको ये कंट्रोल करता है. देन सेकेंड पोर्शन इज ऑफ सेरिब्रल पेडुंकल्स. Cerebral peduncles that pair which coordinate between hind brain or mid brain. Hind brain and forebrain, not mid brain, forebrain. इन दोनों के बीच को कोऑर्डिनेशन का काम कौन करता है? सेरिब्रल पेडुंकल्स कोऑर्डिनेट बिटवीन हिंड ब्रेन एंड मिड ब्रेन. एंड द नेक्स्ट पोर्शन इज ऑफ दिस इज द मिड ब्रेन. दिस पोर्शन इज ऑफ मिड ब्रेन. The next portion is of hind brain. It is divided into three parts. This is of medulla, this is of pons, or this is of cerebellum. So it is divided into three parts. First one is of cerebellum. It is the second largest part of the brain. Cerebellum is of second largest part of the brain. It maintains posture or equilibrium during walking, jumping, and playing, लिफ्टिंग, बेंडिंग, उन सब के टाइम में इक्विलिब्रियम, बॉडी का इक्विलिब्रियम या बॉडी पोस्चर को मेंटेन करने का काम कौन करता है? दैट इज ऑफ सेरिबेलम. साइकिलिंग, वॉकिंग, सब टाइम में बॉडी को बैलेंस करने का काम करता है. दैट सेकंड इज ऑफ pons. It coordinate between the muscles of two sides of body. Coordinate muscles, both the sides, left side and right side muscles को coordinate करने का काम कौन करता है? pons करता है. Coordination, help in the coordination of muscles. coordination of muscles. And third one is of medulla oblongata. It is the hindermost portion of the brain. It continues behind to form स्पाइनल कोड. ये पीछे चला जाता है तो क्या बना देता है, स्पाइनल कोड बना देता है. एंड मेडुला ऑब्लांगेटा एंड कंट्रोल ऑल रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन, all the reflex action, that is vomiting, urination, blood pressure, peristaltic movements, all different types of also act as a pneumotactic center or rhythmic center that increase or decrease the respiratory rates and increase or decrease of blood pressure or different types of reflex action controlled by the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata continue to behind to form simple rod-like structure, and that rod-like structure is known as spinal cord, which is present in our vertebral column. Vertebral column के अंदर क्या होती है, spinal cord present होता है. So this is the brain, which is divided in three parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. And the spinal cord is also part of the central nervous system.